What's up everyone, how are you? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Vechain. What's the current price of Vechain, what's the price change occur in the Vechain, and in this video I'm talking about the big mistake of Vechain holders. So be safe from loss and don't do this mistake. Let's see my friends. But if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel and also like this video. Subscribe is very important for all of you. That is why I request every time to please subscribe now, because ABS Tech channel will give you updates which is very important for all of you. Now let's start. Let's move on my friends. 0.126624 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Vechain in the market. On the other side, if you look, the price changes occur in the Vechain. So absolutely the last 1 hour, last 1 day price change as negative. That means from the yesterday the price of the Vechain is fast down friends, and now you can see it last 1 week pricing as positive. So that means that from the last 1 day, the previous day's pricing is going positive, but only from the yesterday the price of the Vechain is fast down my friends. As you know, it is the end of month, and the end of month every cryptocurrency is fast down my friends. So that is why it seems like that the Vechain fast down. That is due to the short-term investor, especially the short-term investor going to sell Vechain and they want to take a profit from Vechain. So that is why the price is fast down. But my friends, my personal recommendation, my personal suggestion is that my friends, don't decide to sell my friends. If you are a short-term investor, so now you are late to sell my friends, because the pricing at this time is going negative, so you will get a low price profit my friends. So that's why I recommend for everyone that wait for it and hold Vechain, because and another fact is that in the future, in the start of June, there is a lot of chances, there is a 80% chance that they take a huge pump. So that is why I recommend for everyone to, it's a perfect time to hold my friends. What do you think? What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Vechain? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.